In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your time using Notion, a tool that many of us have come to rely on for organizing our daily tasks and projects. Whether you're working on multiple projects or just looking to improve your productivity, tracking your time effectively can make a big difference. Let's dive right in and learn how to set this up in Notion. First, start by opening your Notion workspace. When you're on the page where you want to track your time, the first thing you'll want to do is type in the command or table view. This step will allow you to create a structured and organized view, perfect for time tracking. Once you've typed in with table view, you'll want to click on the table view option from the list. This will create a new table within your Notion page, and it's where all your time tracking data will live. Now, we need to add some properties to this table to ensure it captures all the necessary details for accurate time management. To do this, click on Add Property. This is crucial because properties are essentially the different columns of your table where various data points are stored. For our time tracking purpose, we'll start by adding a property for Date. Simply click on Date from the list of property options. This will enable you to record the specific dates associated with each tracked period. We need to add a few more properties. Click on the plus sign to add another property and again select Date. This time, we're setting it up to capture the time you intend to start a task. Once you've done that, move ahead and click the plus sign again to add another property, and this time select Number. This property will allow you to record time durations as numerical values. To make our table meaningful, let's proceed to rename both date properties. Click on the first date property and rename it to Start Time. Doing this gives clarity as to what that column represents. Similarly, click on the other date property and rename it to End Time. This logical renaming helps you and anyone else who might view this table to understand at a glance what each column is for. Finally, once you have your start time and end time properties defined, you will select the dates and time option. This is the last preparation step, and it ensures that both start and end times can capture not only the date, but also the specific time the task begins and ends. With these steps complete, you've set up a simple but effective time tracking system in Notion. Remember, consistency is key in tracking time effectively, so make sure to log your time diligently. This setup will hopefully help you in managing your time better and improving your overall efficiency. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.